Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In addition to the regular monthly kit, Love from Lizi just released a special edition Christmas kit. It is a beautiful kit and I really love the non-traditional teal and purple colors. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 6 sheets of cardstock. 5 of them are a specialty cardstock. So there's a pearlescent purple, pearlescent brown. There's this beautiful pearlescent green that has a gold sheen to it. There's a pearlescent dark blue. And then there is a gold mirror cardstock. And this is a very heavyweight piece. And then the final piece is just a regular piece of teal cardstock. The kit includes 12 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, and these are all single-sided. Really beautiful designs. I love these dark, deep purples and greens. A few of the sheets have some glitter on them, and then there's also a few that have a gold foil finish. So look at all of these beautiful colors. This one is my favorite. I love those stars. There's some more of that gold foil. This one's fun with all of the trees, and then another one with that glitter finish. And then next there are 4 sheets of peel-off stickers, and they're super shiny. You can see my reflection for a minute. So there is the gold mirror in the pinstripe. There's the teal mirror in the bubble design. Another pinstripe with the gold glitter. And then the last is a purple mirror in the pinstripe design. So lots of peel-offs to use for this beautiful kit. And now let's get to the embellishment bag. This kit includes a lot of steel dies, 13 in total. One of them has the sentiment with love. Here's a little present. There's a rocking chair. There's a little Christmas lights you could put on a tree, a little set of gifts. And there's Santa's bag. And then I believe this is a pot with a little tree trunk coming out. There's a little stocking. The star that you could put on top of the tree, another present. This die could be used to build a tree, but it also looks like a snow-peaked mountaintop. And then last, a couple ornaments to put on the tree. There are 2 little photo frames with a gold mirror, and these are very thick, so real sturdy chipboard. Next, there is a wood piece covered in gold glitter that has Merry Christmas. There's a set of photo corners, and these are in a beautiful gold finish. There's also 6 gold glitter snowflake stickers. There's a lot of shine in this kit. I love all of this gold. So there are 3 snowflake die cuts, all in a gold mirror. And then there are 3 wood ornaments that are already painted, decorated. These are nice and sturdy. And then another little embellishment bag. There are 2 of these little star metal charms, and they're just attached to this little piece of cardboard using little twist ties. But they have the tiny little hole in them so you could put a piece of twine to attach them to your card. And then there's a lovely set of gold glitter buttons. And then one more embellishment bag. Aren't these colors just beautiful? I'm really enjoying some of the non-traditional Christmas colors lately. Just trying to get all of these sorted out. There are 4 gold ribbon glitter bows that are pre-tied, so you don't have to mess with trying to tie a bow yourself. And there's also a lovely set of clothespins. In purple, there's a darker purple and the teal, and they come in 3 different colors, and they're all functioning clothespins. So those will be fun to add to the cards. And then one final item, there's a beautiful piece of this gold tinsel garland. Just trying to find the end of it so you can see. Isn't that just lovely? So that is everything that is included in Love from Lizi's special edition Christmas kit. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit is still available. You do not have to be a Love from Lizi subscriber. You can just purchase this kit by itself. but quantities are still limited. So if you are interested in purchasing this kit, I wouldn't wait. I have links provided in the description box below. And the November Love from Lizi kit has just been released. I don't have it in my hands quite yet, but it should be here very soon. So if you are interested in checking out the November release, it's a beautiful kit, and I will include links in the description box for that kit as well. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this beautiful Christmas kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.